Hey guys, my name is Justin and welcome to Hillsboro, where we care about the design behind designer luxury. If you do too, make sure to subscribe. So for today's video, we have something I haven't done in a while, mainly because I've been buying other things in my life and I haven't really focused on bags and stuff like that, so I'm like, oh, whatever. But now, we got this. For those not in the know, just kidding, I'm sure like everyone knows who like watches this channel. Telfar came out with the Carry, which was a collaboration with Wilson's Leather. They're famous for like jackets and other kinds of like leather wear. They made an actual leather Telfar bag. Originally it was only in Suffrages at one of the department stores in London, and I was like, I need to go to London. And then I like looked up prices for tickets and I was like, I'm not going to London. And I'm glad I waited because it went to the Telfar website and this was only like $600. So if we're using girl math correctly, I saved 30%. That means I can spend $300 on something else and not feel bad.
If I pay for something in cash, it's free. Okay?
Okay, but let's get to what we all want to see. I just opened the box to make sure it is what it is because I'm like expecting like other random things. And I was like, okay, cool. So this is also like my genuine like first impression of it. I did obviously open it though, but let's go. I already ripped off all the stickers and stuff, but the thing for me is like Telfar boxes, I'm pretty sure normally have like Telfar tape and like other ways to signify that it's Telfar, so that's why I was like really confused. So that part was like a little but then you open it up, it still is the same kind of box though, which is why I was like, oh, I'm pretty sure it's a Telfar. And then, woo, it's huge. Bonk. Bonk. Ow. Oh my god, I'm clumsy. Well, fun. So you still get like the little plastic bag that says Telfar, established 2005. But then underneath that is a print that says Wilson's The Leather Experts, which is cool. Okay, fun. Again, I always keep these bags for like when I'm traveling. It's like, yeah, it's not a packing cube, but you can put stuff in it and roll it up and like suck the air out. Which, when I went to, where'd I go? When I went to the Philippines, that's what I did. Especially on the way back. Okay, so you get a dust bag. This feels, when I saw the color, I was like, is this an Eastpak bag? Did they send me the wrong one? But it feels like the Telfar normal cloth dust bags. Still get the same like waxed cord. Maybe it's not waxed. But then again, you see the, oh my god, Telfar, established 2005 NYC, and then the Wilson's logo underneath it, which I think is cute. I love the idea of like double printing like that. Okay, are you guys ready? Oh my god, it smells... Oh my god, it smells like a new car. It smells good, it smells like leather. Oh my god, okay. Okay, I can feel the handles, they're very thick, and they're wrapped up together, and I can feel like the same Velcro strap wrap that they use now. Oh, there she is. Oh my god. What's this? You get a little fluff to keep it from being too flat. Oh my god. And then a piece of paper wrapped around. What is this? Like when they open a store and there's like a ribbon you cut, like you have like a ribbon opening ceremony. So like I said, I felt this little Velcro thing. I use this for my headphones when I guess I don't have these kinds of headphones anymore. Oh no, charging cables, that's what I use it for. Alright, so right off the bat, you can see that, oh, it's nice, it's sewn really nice. And then the handles are longer. So I got the medium in black because like that was my go-to. And then I kind of started using them for work bags, and then I stopped liking using, I don't like using them for not work anymore. But so that's why I like got this one, because I love my Telfar for that reason. And My psychology is crazy because I am mental. Let's just go over all the details. Okay, first off, it's a really nice pebble leather. It's really soft, like really soft. It's not structured at all like how like the regular Telfar bags are. We have this embossed Telfar logo. You can see the way that the straps are sewn into the leather for extra strength. And then of course, the long hand carry strap so that you can wear it on your shoulder, which I'm like, okay, I'm probably not gonna do that, but I like it. And then we have these longer straps. I will say these feel, I'm like trying to look at them more. These do feel like they're maybe shorter than the regular ones, or maybe it's just that. Okay, I'm gonna pull out the normal one. This bad boy, it's so beat up. I've been abusing him recently. No, it's the exact same strap drop. Interesting, okay. And then you can see there, like, the drop is like almost double for the carry. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh yeah, I saw a picture. The hardware, so there's feet. I've never had a bag with feet, and I've always wanted a bag with feet. I don't know why. It just feels like classy. That's great. Oh my god, I love that it's the Telfar logo. I need to get a pair of earrings. Oh, and then on the back there's debossed, or wait, is this debossed? And then this is embossed? But then it has the Telfar established blah 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 blah. Cute. And then there's these snap button thingies on the sides that I can use to expand it if I want to. Love that. Both sides. What's this little tag? Oh, cute! Okay, so it came with a little like ball chain thingy. Here's the tag. Wilson's telling caring for your leather goods because this is a leather good now. Do not store in plastic. So I know from the description this bag is unlined, so let's see what that looks like. Just gonna open it all up. Oh my god, it smells like leather in here. Again, save these like absorption things. They're good to just keep in your bags. Some paper. Is there like a reason for this paper to be folded so nicely? I don't think there's anything in here. I think it's literally just so that it like keeps in it. Ah, they give you two. Because they're like, this is a luxury product. And then a little piece of paper came off from, there's like a D-ring right there. Okay, so here we can see the ends of the straps. It's a very like simple finish. Like you can just see the ends of the straps in the way they're cut. Oh, but they are sealed. Okay, so the bag is folded over and then it's unlined, like I said. But the suede finishing is actually pretty nice. I do imagine that there's gonna be some like fuzzies that'll come off of it. And then no pocket on that side, but then here on the like back side, there's a pocket, fully just a flat pocket, but it's also flat. And then the little drug Telfar thing, they still managed to keep it. I think that's so cute. Oh my god, I love this. That's great. And I love that it's like an aged silvery, I'm sure it's gonna rub to brass eventually, hardware. And then there's the Wilson Leather Expert on the pocket, and then the Telfar label. I will say one thing that's interesting is that it's not lined, but then it's double layered on the bottom to get, I guess, give a little bit of like structure. I love it. I think this is going to become my daily driver for not work stuff. And I'm literally so excited. Nobody can tell me anything. I love Telfar. This is fantastic. I'm so ready. I even want to like wear it as like a clutch by like filling it and then just holding it like this, but like full of stuff, obviously. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, I'm so ready. Excuse me, I'm gonna need some privacy. Okay, so like right off the top of my head, I'm really in love with this bag already. Like, I love the Telfar shape. It's like, I said this in every single review, but like whenever I picture just like a bag, it's a rectangle with handles and straps, and that's it, and that's what Telfar gives me. This absolutely gives that, but then in a completely different kind of perspective, where it's like really soft leather. This really feels luxury. Like the quality of the leather feels really nice. Like you can definitely tell this thing died. You can really tell that this is like a really good quality leather. Like it feels thick, it doesn't feel like flimsy. Everything about this bag feels nice. And the thing for me is like, I would feel confident about bringing this to like a leather worker or something like that. With like Telfar, I'm sure they would be like, what are you trying to do with this? I'm probably gonna make this one of my travel bags, if we're being honest. Everything, like, if you are a fan of Telfar bags and you want something that's just like a little bit of a step up, this is honestly perfect. Like, I'm so excited to give a full review of it. But yeah, I think that's all I want to say about this bag. I think it's all I can say right now. Let me know your opinions. Like, I know, like, in a way, some of the hype for Telfar has died down, but like, I think this, honestly, Telfar bags are just like well-designed bags because it's almost like minimalist in a way that's like not minimal, right? So for them to do this is really great. I would love to get your opinion to see like, do you think this is like stupid? Do you think it's also like the time has passed, or are you happy that it exists and you're kind of digging around waiting to see what someone says? I don't know, I just like hearing from you guys, so let me know. But that is all I have for you today. So if you liked this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Lets me know that you like this kind of content and that you too care about design behind designer luxury. Until next time. Oh my god. Bury me in this. Oh my god, it smells... Oh my god, it smells like a new car. It smells good. It smells like leather. Oh my god, it smells so good.